Say hello to the future of campervans, the all-new 2025 Karmann Dexter 580. Combining luxury, functionality, and innovation, this revamped model is setting new standards for adventure seekers everywhere. First up, the exterior. The 2025 Karmann Dexter 580 boasts a bold and modern design with sleek aerodynamic lines, LED headlights, and a panoramic roof, perfect for stargazing during your overnight stops. The updated grille and stylish alloy wheels give it a premium yet rugged look, making it ideal for both urban exploration and off-road adventures. Step inside, and you'll find a world of luxury packed into a compact space. The interior features high-quality leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For the adventurers out there, the Dexter 580 comes with a fully equipped kitchenette, including a 2-burner stove, a fridge, and a sink with a 100-liter freshwater tank. The enhanced modular bed system now offers extra storage space and can be converted into a comfortable lounge area for your downtime. And yes, the van is now equipped with solar panels, allowing you to stay off-grid for longer. Under the hood, the 2025 Dexter 580 is powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine, delivering 170 horsepower and improved fuel efficiency. Coupled with an advanced all-wheel drive system, this camper can handle any terrain with ease. And thanks to the new adaptive suspension, your ride is smoother than ever before. Karmann didn't compromise on safety. The Dexter 580 includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. So, how much does all this cost? The 2025 Karmann Dexter 580 starts at a competitive price of $85,000, offering incredible value for a camper packed with this level of luxury and tech. With additional packages available, you can truly customize it to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're chasing adventure or just craving freedom, the 2025 Karmann Dexter 580 is your perfect companion. Ready to make it yours? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.